Can you solve this beautiful equation that we have on the board? Here we are asked to solve 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 1024. How will you approach this question? I'm going to solve this question using two methods. Then you're going to tell me which of the method do you find more interesting, okay? Let's look at the first method. The first method. 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 1024. Recall that a plus a plus a plus a equals to what? 4a, right? That means if I have 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 4 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x. Are you getting it? Okay. Now, I'm going to replace 4 raised to the power of x. I'm going to replace that 4 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x. So it becomes 4 raised to the power of x equals to 1024. Are you following? Okay, the next step is that you are going to divide both sides by 4. So I'm going to have this over 4 and this over 4. It becomes 4 raised to the power of x equals to 256. Okay. Now, the base at the left-hand side is 4. Now, how can I rewrite, please listen, how can I rewrite 256 such that the base will be equals to 4? Do you understand? That will be 4 raised to the power of 4. 256 equals to 4 raised to the power of 4. So, 4 raised to the power of x equals to 4 raised to the power of 4. Now, because the base are equal, the power can be set to be equal to each other. Do you understand? Okay, this is the first method. Let us look at the second method. Second method. Okay, now pay attention. We have 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 1024. 1024. Okay. I can rewrite 4 raised to the power of x this as 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 1024. You can see that it's similar, but it's not similar, okay? Just pay attention. Now, we have 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 equals to 1024. Okay, if you have a raised to the power of b dot a, what is the power of the second a? The power is 1, right? So it can be said to be a raised to the power of b plus 1. So let's go back to this. 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4. This will be 4 raised to the power of x plus 1. This will be equals to 1024. Are you following? Okay. 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to, now, please listen to me. 1024 can be written as what? 2 raised to the power of 10, right? So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 10 here. Also, 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to 2 raised to the power of 10. According to this law, a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c, this can be written as a raised to the power of b times c, right? So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x plus 1. This will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 10. Now, because the base are equal, I can set this power to be equal. So I'm going to have 2 multiplied by x plus 1 equals to 10. Don't forget, our goal is to find the value of x, right? So I can divide both sides by 2. This over 2, x plus 1 equals to 5. X equals to 5 minus 1. X equals to 4. As you can see, we have the same answer as the first method. Now the question is, if you are asked to solve this in exam, let's say you encounter this kind in theory, how will you approach it? Are you going to use the first method or the second method? I want you to drop your answer in the comment section. And if you have another method that differs from the two methods, I want to know it. Drop it in the comment section, okay? That will be all for this class. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, okay? See you in the next class.